Hello, my name is Mark Rhiannon, and I would like to talk about the Every Student Succeeds Act, otherwise known as ESSA. In this video, we will cover four topics. What is ESSA? The historical background behind the law, effects, and criticisms of ESSA. The Every Student Succeeds Act is a U.S. law that outlines how states can use federal money to support public schools. Before we dive into detail about this law, we need to understand the history and laws preceding it. The No Child Left Behind Act was implemented by President Bush in 2002. It created national standards that schools had to achieve and implemented a series of standardized tests to measure the quality of schools and teachers. If schools and students did well, then they were good schools and had good teachers. If not, then the schools could lose funding and teachers could lose their jobs. So there was a lot of emphasis placed on students doing well on the tests. And as a result, there were schools that closed and teachers that were dismissed. The Every Student Succeeds Act kept elements of No Child Left Behind, but overall weakened these strict guidelines, and it gave control of school and teacher evaluation back to the states and let states decide how to identify and improve underperforming schools. States send the federal government plans for how they will meet the federal education requirements. So, because of ESSA, test scores were removed as a criteria for evaluating schools, and states got to decide how to evaluate schools and teachers. Additionally, the number of tests given to students went down. Now, I'd like to explain how the states use ESSA to intervene in underperforming schools. First, states gather a variety of data to determine the schools in need. Then, work together with parents, students, and educators to identify what is needed to improve that school. After that, communities then democratically create a local plan for their school. And after implementing the plan, schools will review to see if the plan needs modifications.